Hi, I'm Nimon, and in this video, I'll show you how to find federal jobs in the US. Now let's get started.
First, open your Google Chrome web browser. In the search bar, type usajobs.gov and click on the first result. This will take you to the official federal job portal. Once you're on the site, click on Search. Now you'll see a list of available job postings across different agencies. Take a moment here, scroll down a bit, and you'll notice there are tons of opportunities. You can also see details like whether jobs are remote or location based. Now, if you want to narrow things down, use the filters. For example, you can filter by only remote jobs and more. And if you want, you can also exclude remote jobs and focus only on on-site positions. Alright, let's say you find a job that looks interesting. Go ahead and click on it. Now scroll down and you'll see all the important details like responsibilities, qualifications, salary and requirements. Take your time here and read everything carefully. Now when you're ready to apply, look for the section called How to Apply. Click on it and you'll find step-by-step instructions for submitting your application. Now let's say you're looking for something specific. At the top, click on the search icon. Type in a job title like computer specialist or computer assistant. You can also select suggestions from the drop-down. This helps you find roles that match your skills faster. Once you see a job that fits, click on it, review the details again, and if you're interested, click Apply. Now, before you can apply, you'll need to create an account. Click on Create an Account. Enter your email address, choose your language, and accept the terms and conditions. After you're done, click Submit. That's it, you're all set. And that's how you can find and apply for federal jobs in the United States. Take your time exploring, there are a lot of great opportunities out there.